Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Grammarly without signing up. Using Grammarly without signing up for an account is limited, as most of Grammarly's features require an account to access. However, you can still utilize some of Grammarly's basic functionalities without creating an account by following these steps. Open up a preferred web browser and visit Grammarly's web editor. Type in grammarly.com/grammar-check and click on Enter. In the text box provided on the website, you can start typing your text directly. You will receive basic grammar and spelling suggestion as you type, but note that more advanced feature will prompt you to sign up or log in. You can also copy text from another document and paste it into the Grammarly web editor. It can analyze your text and provide suggestion. As you make changes, you can see suggestions for corrections and enhancement. However, to accept suggestions, you may be asked to create an account. Without signing up, you won't have access to features like checking for flag, style suggestions, or the personalized insights that come with Grammarly account. If you are using Grammarly solely in web editor or through the extension without an account, your access to saved documents and preference will be limited. For the best experience and to take full advantage of Grammarly capabilities, creating a free account is recommended. However, if you want to use Grammarly without signing up, the web editor allows for basic grammar and spelling checks directly in your browser. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.